Ideas are powerful. They can change your life.
Ideas are powerful. Take the human toolbox, for example. Have you ever thought about your potential? What you're capable of doing? Well, if you have even just a little bit of cynicism, there's probably some doubt in you and in your ability to actually make things better. Why? Partially because you have lived your entire life as you. You know you. You know the results you get. You know every single intimate detail about yourself. But do you? As you go throughout the day, you are you, right? I mean, there's only one you. If you're housed in the same body, then there can't be many versions of you. Can there be? Actually, as your brain states change, you yourself are changed. Each state alters the way you perceive what comes into your life and what goes out of it. And because your brain changes states so often during the course of a day, it feels as if it's all the same person. Because after all, it's all just you, right? But what if you were able to call upon different aspects of yourself at different times? Meaning, instead of going throughout the day with a random series of brain states with little awareness of who is actually running the show, imagine if you actually delegated different aspects of yourself for addressing the many different tasks and goals that you have throughout the day. Sounds promising? The Human Toolbox is a conceptual resource for helping people make the type of necessary changes that bring about magnificent and impressive results, mostly because it works directly on the brain, affecting the states of the brain and their ability to change. Why? To support you in becoming more efficient and successful. Making these types of supportive changes happen more often when they're openly discussed, when the objective is the development of your greater self. So, if you want to express a greater potential, a greater outcome, or a greater version of yourself, engage in the conversation. Don't shy away from it. The brain is hungry to bring in the newer you. Usher in some greater aspects of yourself that otherwise would be inactive, laying dormant in a sea of possibility. Sounds great? It is. And you're great, with the potential to be even greater.
Ideas are powerful. They can change your life.